Fellas, welcome back to the Moxie Gen. Today we're going over 13 things that are killing your mojo. Number 1, the soul patch, or whatever you want to call this part. Having hair here was left in the 90s. I know that the 90s are kind of making a comeback, but it's just a no-go. Shave it or grow a beard. Leave it in the 90s. That's it. Number 2, the goatee or the chin beard. Again, with the whole 90s thing, no. Just no. Okay, we'll leave it at that. No. Number 3, the unibrow. Honestly, guys, do I even have to tell you this? 2. Not 1, 2. Guys, all you need is this. It's okay. It's not unmanly if you have one of these at home. All you have to do is pluck 1, 2, 3, and you're good. That's all you need. Number 4, spiky hair. Ew. I'm sorry. I have to take a breath. It's just bad. It's bad. Think Guy Fieri. Yeah, I know it hurts, but just the porcupine look. We're gonna be okay. The porcupine thing, no, just 5, too much cologne. It's good to find your scent, but it's not good if you overdo it. If you're swimming in your smell, I think that that's definitely a mojo killer. Trust me, I've talked to a lot of girls and they tell me he was awesome, he was great. His cologne, just a little bit too much. So 1, 2, fellas. 1, 2. Number 6, nose hair. Really, guys? I mean, you know, girls see that, guys see that. Sometimes that little thing is just kind of out there and it's just looking at you and you're like, ooh. Well, there's a solution. There are a couple ways that you can go at it, okay? So there's the obvious kind of pulling with your fingers, and that really hurts. And if you guys have ever done that, pulling one of those suckers out there, it kind of even makes that little tear come out and you're just kind of jerking, you're trying to hold yourself that you're about to cry. Or you can be more civil and you can get yourself a pair of scissors. Just like these, okay? So they come with these scissors are not sharp and they're just a little bit rounded. I'm gonna spare you the details, but all you wanna do is this, look up, boom, you're done. Or you can even go a little bit more elegant and you can have these little clippers, these electric clippers that they just kind of buzz inside your nose hair. I personally just go with this because this is really simple. You can just do that, boys, just do that. And it really comes in handy for a lot of other stuff. So yes. This is a yes, okay? This is a must. Number 7, ear hair. Now, fellas, this one's a little bit tougher because you can't really actually see them, but as you get older, those bad boys start growing, and I don't know why, but it just does. It just happens, and so we're gonna have to get rid of those. There are a couple things of doing. You can just kind of feel around and see if you have them, and just kind of pluck them and just kind of deal with the pain. Or you can go to your stylist or your barber, whomever, and you can actually ask them to kind of hit you there with the clippers. Awesome. It works really well. I've been doing it for a while. It's the way to go. So next time you're with your stylist, tell him to hook you up right here, and he can also hook you up here. Number 8, earwax. Well, we all get it. We're just gonna have to clean that up. Get yourself a Q-tip, but please don't think that it's a Q-stick where you're playing pool. Don't jam it in your ear. Be gentle. Be gentle. And there you go. Number 9, dirty and long nails. Guys, really? When you touch a woman's hand or when you're kind of getting to know somebody, you use your hands, people look at that and they can see if there's a little bit of, I don't know, underneath. Get it fixed, clip them, wash your hands, be awesome. Number 10, bad body odor. Fellas, having BO is definitely a killer. You have to take care of it. So if you go to the gym, take a shower and use deodorant, antiperspirant. That's what you wanna do. You wanna use antiperspirant, deodorant, or whatever they call it, not just deo, okay? That'll help you kind of control the sweat, keeps that stink at bay, because after the day goes by, especially in the summer, you get a little smelly. Number 11, bad breath. Bad breath, really, brush and rinse. Brush and rinse. The only thing is here, guys, is just practicing proper hygiene. Now, if you have bad breath, or halitosis is what the medical term is, you might want to see an oral hygienist and discuss this. Most of the time, it has to do because of diet or smoking or tobacco or whatnot or coffee. Now, what I recommend is just brushing regularly after every meal, or twice a day is usually what you should be doing. But again, guys, drink water, brush, rinse, floss. I don't floss every day, but I try to every once in a while, but just proper hygiene, because if not, she's definitely gonna notice. Number 12, back hair. Guys, the rug trimmed in the front, in the back, no rug. I don't know what you have to do, but just get rid of it. Go and get it waxed. Have your girlfriend or somebody shave you, or you can use a back razor. Cool. Back hair. Get rid of it. Not good. And number 13, fellas, the last one, pubes. Fellas, that's the most important area sometimes. You know, you have to keep it clean down there. There's a lot of content out there that tells you that you should use clippers for your balls, but you shouldn't, okay? All you need to use clippers for is your pubes. Keep them trimmed, don't shave, because then you're gonna have problems with ingrown hairs, or there's gonna be a lot of chafing when it's time for the action, okay? Trust me, I know from experience. 1 or 2 on the clipper and you're good to go. When it comes to your boys down there, when it comes to your balls and your best friend, you gotta be careful. How do you shave your balls? And I think I'm gonna have to do a video on just that particular piece, but I'll just let you know right away. You get yourself a good blade, okay? Maybe one of those triple blades from Gillette or Dollar Shave Club or whatever. Make sure that it's good and sharp. Lather your boys down there and slowly and carefully shave. There's no trick to it. I've seen people use kiwis as an example. I've seen people use balloons to see how soft it is. You'll know because you can feel them, okay? Just make sure that it's nice warm bath, nice lathered up, and you're good to go. So you just shave, be careful, but don't shave too close to your butthole, because trust me, when those hairs start to grow back, ouch. So fellas, that's it. 13 things that are killing your mojo. Guys, don't let these things get in the way of your sweet ass mojo. Wait, don't move. You got a little, little nose hair.